All right, you recently got a 3D printer and you want to give something to mom for her birthday. She likes Dan Brown books, so you're thinking of doing a cryptex. But how do you make that cryptex special for her? Well, I'm going to show you what I did to make it special for my mom to give to her birthday.
Holy crap. Oh, it says
Name and address withheld.
So do you know what it is?
looks like a puzzle box.
Yeah, it's a cryptex.
Oh, from like Da Vinci Code.
Yeah. So it has a 10 character combination that you have to figure out before you can get to what's inside.
Isn't it?
Name and address withheld.
Oh, it's not?
Your name just conveniently has 10 letters, but the combination is going to be a lot trickier than that. Okay, so I knew I'd eventually have to give her the combination. It's kind of tricky to expect that someone's going to figure out 10 times 26 combinations. No, that math is wrong. Whatever. It's a lot of combinations. So, anywho, now she's got the correct sequence in. Now she can pull the lid off. You just want to grab the lip.
Okay, is it this side or this side?
It's this side. So like that lip.
Okay. Whoa. Another puzzle. Oh.
Oh, they're burned.
Oh.
You dropped one.
Where?
Right.
Okay, I can't get this one out. Is it glued? Oh, here we go. Okay, so oh my gosh. It says Morse code. Modified Morse. Binary output.
Looks like you have some decoding to do.
Okay, so whoops.
So I told you that the passcode has no meaning on its own.
Yeah.
So now you have to figure out the meaning based off of the ciphers.
Oh. Oh. 0010. So then it's this one, I think. So now I need to find 0101. Can I write on it?
Sure.
01010010. So it's 082. Now I can put this one down. And then 082 is doop doop doop. And then doop 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 is I. Right? I.
Yep. Yep.
Wow,
First one
okay.
down.
Okay. So 079.
You liking it so far?
Uh-huh. No, that's
Okay. A little progress update. Mom, you want to explain the process that you're doing?
not it. Yes. My sweet oldest son is trying to give his mother an aneurysm. He has 4 ciphers in here that pertain to the cipher on the puzzle box. And each letter of the cipher of the puzzle box has, I have to look up a number corresponding with the letter, and then I write that down, and then I have to find that number on here that corresponds to a smaller number, and then that smaller number corresponds to a Morse code signal, and then the Morse code signal corresponds to a letter of the alphabet. So, I mean, it's really exciting. And I don't know how he came up with this. This is really amazing.
Okay, final progress update.
I'm on the last letter.
Last letter. Any guesses as to what it is?
I thought it would be I love you, Ma. There's already a
Hold it.
no, that's an O. No. It could be an A. Line, dot, dot. Line, dot, dot. Line. It is line, dot, dot, right? Yes. I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Oh, it is. I love you, Ma. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Oh, thanks, sweetie.
So did you have fun?
Yes. That's awesome.
So want me to show you how it works now?
Yeah.
So first off, with these codes, there was a shortcut that I didn't tell you that would have made it go a lot faster, but it would have killed the fun. When I set these up, they were all on the same page, and rather than do a shift each time, I just kept turning them into different kinds of characters.
So I could have gone from here to here,
Yeah.
straight in a line.
Yep. But wouldn't have been as much fun, right?
No, it wouldn't have.
So
That's cool.
that's how I did that. And then I didn't design the cryptex. This is a pretty popular file on Thingiverse,
Uh-huh.
but it's reprogrammable.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so now that it's open,
Uh-huh. Oh.
you can spin this off, and then each of these rings is actually 2 rings. And you can push them apart, and then you can pick a new letter that you want it to be by lining up the slot with the letter that you want it to be in the combination.
Wow.
And this also shows you the hardest part about putting it together. Each row has these 3 little springs that are a leaf spring design.
Mm-hmm.
And so I had to print all of them for one, and then bend them and force them into these slots. And there's 3 per row, 30 springs total. That was a lot of work. But yeah, now that you've got it open, you've got a cryptex that you can
Reprogram.
program to be whatever you want.
And I also have a secret code that I can write messages to my oldest son.
Yep.
I can see lots of texting going back and forth.
Uh-oh.